Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to build credit with Experian. So if you've been wondering how to build credit with Experian, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one, just a short step-by-step guide on how to build credit. So let's get straight into it. Now the first, you got to make sure you make on-time payment. So payment history accounts for about 35% of your credit score. So that's a huge percentage, and you want to make sure that you make on-time payments because that's crucial to getting that 35%. Next, you want to make sure that you keep credit utilization low. So you want to keep your credit utilization ratio low. Ideally, you want to keep it below 30%, and that's going to help you to build credit. You also want to make sure that you monitor your credit report. You want to regularly review your credit report to ensure that it is accurate and that the information is up to date, and that's going to help your credit. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to build credit with Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.